We're here at Euphoria. So they have a very nice na parang resto overlooking scenic mountain here in Tupi. This is yung place. Operated by SG Farm also. Expansion. So they have ito. Parang tinanggal na yung mga ano yan. What is that? So, very nice. Parang kainan na view. It's good sana kung nakuha ano ito ng complete regulatory permits. It's the weak side natin, ha? Building without regulatory permits, but meron naman siguro, no? This is yung Drina Cafe. They have yung mga cottages here. What is unique here? Dahil mga are these endemic? Local o parang exported? No? Mga tanim? And then they have shawarma. Let us see here. Parang bridge siya eh.
Five years old the good ka. Only one, right?
Rainbow slide. Ang ganda din. We have na ganito. Huh? What is this? Second zip line? Zip line. Victoria zip line. It's nice. We have some new tourism development. Good also that the governor is from Tupi. Now we're in Tupi, Euphoria na is this a farm resort. Daming mga tanim, colorful. Dito na yung end. This is the end, but we have a very good view here of the zip lines. This is yung parang bridge. Siguro kung may gitawat dito.
ถีบรถมาถีบรถ